Today, I am reviewing the Dreame L10s Ultra Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Investing in a high-end robot vacuum is always a significant decision because the market is flooded with devices that promise complete automation but still require you to baby-sit them constantly. After living with the Dreame L10s Ultra Robot Vacuum and mop combo for an extended period, it is clear that this machine comes remarkably close to achieving the elusive dream of truly hands-off floor maintenance. It represents a massive leap forward in how we approach household cleaning, seamlessly integrating powerful vacuuming, heavy-duty mopping, and an incredibly intelligent self-sustaining base station that handles the dirty work for you. To appreciate what makes this unit so exceptional, you have to look at the sheer level of automation provided by the base station. Many traditional robot vacuums require you to empty the dustbin after every couple of runs, wash the filthy mop pads by hand, and constantly refill the internal water tank. The L10s Ultra completely eliminates these daily chores. Its base station features an automatic dust collection system that uses a clever dual air design to blow air into the robot dust box while simultaneously vacuuming the debris out into a large 3-liter dust bag. This system manages to seal away dirt, pet hair, and allergens so effectively that you can genuinely forget about emptying it for up to 60 days. But where it truly stands out from standard auto-empty vacuums is how it treats its mopping system. When the robot finishes a mopping cycle and returns to the dock, the base station takes over by immersing the dual rotary mops in fresh water and spinning them at high speed against textured grooves to scrub away the embedded grime. Once the washing cycle finishes, the dock uses hot air to dry the pads completely in as little as 2 hours. This hot air drying is an absolute game changer because it prevents the damp, stagnant environment where mold and foul odors typically thrive. Furthermore, the base station automatically refills the robot internal water tank and precisely mixes in the cleaning solution, meaning the robot is always prepared for the next run without any intervention from you. When it comes to the actual cleaning performance on the floor, the hardware configuration is immensely impressive. Boasting a massive 5,300 pascals of suction power, the vacuum effortlessly lifts heavy debris, fine dust, and deeply embedded pet hair out of hardwood crevices and thick carpets alike. Instead of a traditional bristled brush that becomes a tangled nightmare if you have long hair or pets, it utilizes a robust all-rubber brush roll. This design resists hair wraps beautifully and directs debris straight into the suction channel. The mopping performance is equally formidable and far superior to the basic dragging cloth pads found on older models. The L10s Ultra features dual rotary mop pads that spin at a rapid 180 revolutions per minute while applying consistent downward pressure against the floor. This scrubbing action easily handles dried syrup, muddy paw prints, and stubborn kitchen spills, leaving wood, tile, and vinyl floors with a thoroughly refreshed shine. It covers massive areas up to 2,152 square feet on a single tank, making it well-suited for larger homes. Navigating a complex home layout is usually the downfall of lesser robots, but the artificial intelligence navigation system on this model is nothing short of brilliant. Utilizing an onboard RGB camera combined with advanced 3-dimensional structured light, the robot maps out your home with incredible speed and accuracy. It does not just blindly bump into furniture. Instead, it actively recognizes and categorizes obstacles like stray shoes, power cords, toys, and furniture legs. It then dynamically calculates the most efficient path around them in real time, minimizing the chances of getting stuck or eating a stray charging cable. Carpet management is another area where the engineering shines. When the robot detects carpet, it automatically boosts its suction power to the maximum level to pull out deep dirt. Simultaneously, it raises its mop pads well out of the way so your rugs stay completely dry while it vacuums. You can also configure the behavior in the app to avoid carpets entirely during a mopping run if you prefer. The accompanying smartphone application provides deep customization and complete control over your home environment. You can easily manage multi-floor mapping, segment specific rooms, draw virtual walls, and set strict no-go zones. It allows you to schedule unique cleaning routines, such as instructing the robot to double mop the kitchen after dinner while merely doing a light vacuuming pass in the living room. For added peace of mind, the integrated camera allows for remote video monitoring, giving you a mobile security camera to check in on pets or verify a specific room status while you are away from home. Compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, you can even initiate a cleanup using a simple voice command. While it represents a premium investment, the flawless execution of its automated self-cleaning dock, advanced obstacle avoidance, and incredible cleaning power make the Dreame L10s Ultra an absolute triumph in smart home convenience.